Hello, dear friends. Honestly, I don't even know how to start this video, cause the pause was very huge. 3 or 4 years ago, I abandoned YouTube. Everyone was indignant, why did I do this? But due to family circumstances, I had to improve my health. And then I had a lot of changes, family, children, and so on. In general, it was necessary to decide either to stay at the main job or to combine YouTube as a hobby. First time I tried to combine all of this, but as we say, you can't resist on two boats at the same time. So it was necessary to decide. And I decided to stay at the main job because there wasn't much hope for YouTube. No matter, in general, what I wanted to tell you, in connection with the global situation that is happening now, I don't even want to call this word, because psychologically it's already so entrenched in the person's subconscious that there is some kind of irritation just saying this word. Clearly, this is very serious, but I think we do even worse, mentioning what is happening more and more. Because we need to monitor the immune system, to have a peaceful, good sleep, a normal diet. But in connection with this media information, with such an influx, we make ourselves even worse, because we are doubly, triple worried, we sleep poorly, eat poorly, do not play sports, and it affects even worse. So, in a nutshell, I went back to my sources, where it all started, and the nostalgia returned. Because when I saw the tulip where we used to fry wings and potatoes, I thought how cool everything was. I started cleaning it, putting it in order, and took a short video on Instagram. And that's where it all started. I did not expect such support and such love. Despite the fact that a very long time has passed, you also have big changes. Everyone has grown up and started a family, but the point is, no one has forgotten me. Everyone said, Roma, let's go back, let's return the nostalgia, and it's very cool. It was such a good push. And when I went into the studio after so many years, I was a little surprised. Of course, there is a horror that is happening. Here, if you can notice, it's a very, very big mess. But if you want to, I want it myself, I want to pose it like that, as if you want, I will. No, I do want to tidy up all of this and try to do something. Also, I hope for you that you'll be interested, and it seems to me it'll be like mutual agreement. And it will be cool for me to do this, because, first of all, it's nostalgia, it's such peace of mind for me to do what I did before, what I like. And for you, first of all, especially with a situation when many do not leave their homes and do not know more than to occupy themselves, to look and remember what we had, and plus to this, to observe the development, or you can say continuation of the project. So that you understand, this is all like the outline. I don't know what will turn out, whether it will turn out at all. Perhaps it will not go the way it went before, what I did, and even those vlogs and homemade things that we crafted. But I hope that everything will be fine. You'll accept me and I will not disappoint you. Generally, I say, everything is so cool. Can't wait to start it again. Fleetingly show you what we have here. A business card from Google, video people, Roman Ursu badges, iForum of 2016, then VSP group. This is an invitation to Kiev. What else can I show you? I don't even know the condition. You know, this is exactly the same as in the show about the forgotten containers on Discovery. In the same way we are doing it now. No idea what happened to this paint, dry, not dry, and tools. As you can see, there is almost nothing, because I gave away them to the guys who tried to keep the channel alive somehow. Unfortunately, all the attempts, as I see now, were unsuccessful, because the channels have very exhausted themselves. I think it would be better if I simply closed the videos, as it was done on blogs, and left everything. And if I return, I would shoot further, if not, then no. This was done to me by Danya and Natasha when there was a fan meeting in Chisinau. The Christmas tree, no idea where it came from. In general, there is everything here, something old, something new that I passed to my parents, so that they would just take it to this room, and one day I would finally get around to see what had accumulated here at all. Some of the tools I have already took away, some of them I'm going to take back. This is a machine tool, an electric jigsaw, a vise. There is a lot of work. I don't know how long I'm going to clean up here, and I don't know if I should show you everything that's here and how I'm going to put it all in order. Well, we'll see. I'll see the feedback, what you will write, what you're interested in, what not, what questions. And I also took everything that they did, various homemade items. I will sort, shoot what is good. In general, there is really a lot and a lot of work. Here are the photos. Once I wrote here in a rush, a burner, a bottle. These are some of my lists that were going to be released as videos. VSP Group, this is even earlier, when they were called VSP Group, now they are already EULA. So, what can I say? Nostalgia. This is from a competition that we held earlier. I don't remember which place the guys took. By the way, after that contest, a lot of channels with 1 million subscribers appeared, due to the fact that I showed them then. And that's how they went, and it's very cool. What is written here? VSP Group 2014, the best hobby channel, Roman Ursu. Here we have gold, silver and other play buttons somewhere. In general, guys, I don't know. Here you can hang out and show for a long time. I don't know where I will publish this video yet, either on Roman Ursu Vlogs or on Roman Ursu the main channel. So I am waiting for the feedback from you, and to be honest, I really missed you. And now, it seems to me, in the situation, it is the time when both you and I, with nothing to do, can somehow return what was before. In general, love you so much, hug you, and bye-bye.